So as you all know, I believe, we've been running a 7-day course which ends tomorrow. These are the final presentations. The students in the course are everyone else in the room who hasn't raised their hand yet. And you'll be hearing from all of them shortly. The structure of the course has been designed around a design project for the home of Jenny Hack and Rob Content. And here's Hustead Road. Here's the house. There's north. There's a shed back here. A couple of big trees there. A few big trees along the road. Mostly open space with some nut trees and other things that are already there. And a little stream that's off the map over this way. Or a run. It's not really a stream. And this map is going to be around because different teams were orienting their maps differently. So this is going to be your guide as to how to orient for the different teams. So as this turns, and team members remember to turn this. If you're not using it as an overlay, put it on that chair and turn it to adjust to, so people can refer back and forth between this and your own drawing. We have been going through a process of designing the whole space that's on the base map, and maybe some places around the edges, and looking at site, articulating some goals. You'll hear different goals from different teams because we have different scenarios that we're playing with. These are not necessarily things that Rob and Jenny are going to do. So we're looking at a single-family forest garden, a two-family design, a nursery, and what we call the Hustead Hub, which you'll have to let them explain to you. I don't want to try and explain it to you now. And we articulated goals for each of those, which you'll hear about. Each team did some site analysis, and they did some designing from pattern to details. And they're going to share with you their pattern as well as a few details for each of the scenarios. So you get a sense of forest garden design from each of these different options, all for the same piece of land.
Did people take different sections of that farm, or they did?
Every team did the same space. The whole space on the base map, and maybe a little bit around the edges.
Oh.
Depending on the team, they may have gone outside the boundaries. Okay? How many people here know this piece of land? Raise your hand. So that'll help you to orient the site, because we're going to be turning the base map in various directions today.
What is a forest garden, Dave? I mean,
well, everyone was at my work. Well, not everyone was there. Okay, so a forest garden is a garden that mimics the structure and function of a forest ecosystem that grows food. Food, fuel, fiber, fodder, fertilizer, pharmaceuticals, and fun, to be more exact. Okay? So we're not designing, doesn't have to turn the place into a forest, or you don't have to be using existing woods. We're using the forest as a design metaphor and drawing principles and patterns from the forest to help us design so we can achieve a garden that is as self-maintaining, self-renewing, self-fertilizing, etc., as possible. Okay, like a forest ecosystem. And you'll see 4 different versions, or maybe they'll be the same. I don't know. I haven't seen the designs that well, so we'll see where they all ended up. And any other questions?
We're gonna practice, or we got?
Yep, let's do our